guys, there's a new vlog and syempre as makikita nyo, this will be the SeaBank card review. So, before anything else, kung hindi nyo pa alam, SeaBank just launched their virtual card at saka their physical card. Now, if you open your SeaBank account, makikita nyo dapat dito sa may bandang babang portion, meron ka ng cards. And it's very easy to get your virtual card. The virtual card is free of charge. Ang kagandahan dyan, wala kayong iisipin, libre po siya. Pero ang virtual card is only for your online use. So if you're going to use it for physical or sa mga stores, hindi po siya pwede. Kasi again, it's just for online use. Now, I will be opening my SeaBank app. Meron rin kayong screenshots dito and everything that you're going to see. Papagdaanan lang natin lahat ng mga fees nito. Now, the fees of your, or some credit limits for your specific SeaBank card, e-commerce yan is only 50,000 pesos. And then for now, POS, sale, at saka ATM withdrawal coming soon pa rin siya. So virtual card pa lang siya. 50,000 pesos ang limit niyan. Usually, nandiyan nakalagay siya. Pwede mo siya iakyat hanggang sa 400,000 pesos. Not bad. More than enough kailangan mo gawin. If you're gonna buy a purchase or you're gonna purchase your luxury bags, enough na siya. Now, card fees naman ito, I put it all here in. ATM withdrawal, local is 15 pesos. International is 250 pesos. If you're going to do an ATM balance inquiry, 5 pesos siya. And international ATM balance inquiry is 50 pesos. Personally, please, wag na kayo inquiry kasi sayang lang yung pera nyo dyan. Meron naman kayong app, dun yung tingnan kung magkano yung balance mo. Now, for payment, ito yung kagandahan dito. Local merchants payment, lahat free. Foreign currency markup, free din siya. Very similar to the GCash Visa Mastercard and the GCash Mastercard na card. GCash Visa card and the GCash Mastercard. But syempre, the Visa rate will be better than the Mastercard rate. Now, dynamic currency conversion fee, DCC niya, is also free. Not a lot of cards give this for free. Wala pa akong nakikita na free to. Pero ang DCC nito is free. And not only that ha guys, 300 pesos ang physical card, free ang virtual card. Now, ang kagandahan dito, what I like about this, I've seen some ad works here na you earn cashback when you use this credit card. Or sorry, when you use this debit card. So if you use this debit card to purchase your items, guys, you can earn cashback. I've never seen a debit card locally that gives you cashback. Diba? Parang wala eh. Usually, credit card ang namimigay ng cashback. And kung wala siyang foreign currency conversion fee at saka DCC fee, sulit to when you're going to travel abroad. Now, without further ado, kasi lahat naman, syempre, this vlog is all about unboxing. I will just show you everything. I put a screenshot here rin. Ito yung itsura ng debit card ko. Na-order ko na rin po yung aking physical card. It's 300 pesos. Nandiyan yung delivery fee. And napadala na siya. Now, the courier is NinjaVan. You will be receiving messages from NinjaVan. Make sure that you have a valid government ID kasi kailangan nila tingnan yan whenever they're going to deliver. Kung wala, mag-authorization letter ka, plus you need to also have a valid government ID. Pwede siyang scan copy. Again, guys, medyo strict ang SeaBank at saka ang NinjaVan. So, kung wala, hindi i-deliver. Now, without further ado, let us slowly unbox and unwrap this. At alam niyo naman, pag cards to, natutuwa talaga ako. Okay. NinjaVan po ang kanilang lalagyan. Alam natin siya. And then this is what it will look like. It is a SeaBank branded envelope. Envelope lang siya. It has the customer hotline number dyan. Then dito po, na kino-cover ko, it has your full name and then your address. Syempre, hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo yan. PIC yan. At syempre, the personal information yan cannot be. So, let's unbox this card. Okay, ito na. So, pag in-unbox nyo ang card, the first thing that you're going to see will be the front portion. Wala siya. It's just a white blank paper. Walang nakikita dito. It will have your name and then your address. Now, when you open this, ay, kasi pala ganito pala siya. Ganito pala siya dapat. Okay, anyways, ito pala ang front. So, SeaBank, a rural bank. Alam natin SeaBank is a rural bank. And when you open it, una mo makikita is how to activate your card and then contact us and then you follow us na Instagram, Facebook, and then TikTok nila. Now, gusto ko na pinakita ko sa inyo to. Activate your card and then if you cannot activate the card, kung makikita nyo dito, meron siyang scan the code manually or you can enter the code manually. And then without further ado, this is the card. Ay, guys, look! Shiny siya. And very orange siya. matte siya, na medyo rough-edged siya, and then this one is glossy. So here is how to activate your card, the first portion. And then your new SeaBank debit card has arrived. Follow the activation instructions using the card. For your added security, you can only view your details sa app, which means this debit card does not have any number. It is a cardless debit card. So sa harapan ko is just my name. Sa likod is the signature portion, nothing else. Expiry date and your CVV is also via the app only. So wala ka makikita. Now, ATM withdrawal pwede siya via MasterCard, pero for now, it is not yet active. You can track your spending via the app. You can transact anywhere also via the card, virtual, online purchases, and then syempre the card physical. And then syempre tap contactless enabled siya, which means, kasi nga meron tayo logo na yan, you can tap to pay your purchases as well. Now, without further ado, what we will do is we will activate, and let's see kung gaano kabilis mag-activate. We will blur out some of the items here, definitely, kasi hindi naman nyo pwede dapat tingnan to, because again, private information ko po ito, okay? So, you will just scan the QR, and then pag skinan mo ang QR, hindi siya pwede sa camera. So, what you're going to do, hindi kasi ako nagbasa ng instructions, di ba? Nandito yung instructions. First things first, let us now open our SeaBank account first. So when you open your SeaBank account, click on the card portion sa baba. And when you click on card portion, click on Activate Now. Now, when you click on the Activate, you can scan the QR and enter the code manually. I will now click on Scan QR Code. And then I will scan the QR dito sa, kung gusto niya mag-scan. And then, ayan, nag-load na siya. Now, I have to enter my password. Buti na lang, alam ko pa ang password ko. Alam ko to. Perfect! Card activation successful. I will just click on Done. And then, again, the card has now been activated. Ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Ang ganda. I would say na maganda ang kanyang experience. Maganda. Okay, now I can look at the details as well. So, if I'm going to look at the details, ito yung mga card number ko. Perfect. Okay, pwede rin natin i-lock yung card if ever we want to lock it. And then card control natin. Because I have now activated this card, I can use it for overseas payment. I can also click on or activate the overseas swipe payments as well now. And then, pwede ko rin i-update the control. Online e-commerce, naka 50,000 siya base, by default, and then POS niya is also 50,000 by default, pero maximum is 200,000 pesos daily. ATM withdrawal, maximum daily card transaction limit is 1 peso kasi nga hindi pa daw siya activated. So okay na yan, I will just leave it as is. And then, I will also activate, and then I will look at update the card PIN. Pwede nyo i-activate yung card PIN, pero for now, I will leave it as is as well. So yun lang siya, guys. Finally, active na ang aking SeaBank debit card. So the review of the SeaBank debit card is so cute. It's very orange. I would be using this international travels ko. Let us compare kasi ang ganda nga niya. 0% ang fee niya, and then may mga cashback promo siya. So malalaman natin siya. Medyo kulas ang lola nyo, yes, kasi excited talaga ako mag-unbox ito because I really want to share this with you guys. So this is what it will look like. Sa likod is also walang number and for security. So please just make sure that you sign this as well. Contactless payment siya. And then guys, this one, ang rate niya, if it's MasterCard, it will be very similar to the GCash MasterCard rate. Pero if it's tap-to-pay purchases, the GCash Visa card, on the other hand, will have a better rate kasi nga mas maganda rate ni Visa. But if this will give us rebates, diba, cashbacks, then definitely this will win over the GCash Visa card. But syempre, malalaman natin to once dumating na and once na ma-try out ko to. I will be trying out slowly. Ang kagandahan dito, wala na tayo kaya isipin, basta funded ang account natin sa SeaBank, we can just use it. Tap-to-pay purchases, pwede mo rin i-online purchases to. Wala po siyang kailangan i-worry. Now, the debit card, this is, iisa lang po ang number mo sa physical card mo at saka yung virtual card mo. So basically, the virtual card is also your physical card. Kasi wala tayong nakikita dito na dalawa ang ating card. It is just one card. So if you don't get the physical card, your virtual card is also the same as this. So my physical card is also the same as my virtual card. Kasi iisa lang yung card na nakikita ko dito. So guys, natutuwa talaga ako, and when I got this card, mabilis rin yung notification because it's via Ninja Van. You'll receive an SMS. You'll also receive via push notification sa SeaBank app mo that you've received the card itself. So I'll have screenshots here as well. So guys, this is a first look of the SeaBank debit card. So guys, exciting talaga to. We will try it out. I know the feature is being rolled out soon, so abangan nyo yan sa inyong SeaBank app. And guys, lagi sinasabi, start your high yield savings account kung ano man yan sa labas because sayang ang pera mo kung tulog yan sa traditional banks mo. I have traditional banks but a lot of my money I put it in high yield savings account because guys, sayang eh. I earn interest every single day, di ba? Yung interest ko niyan, pwede ko pang bili ng kahit isang chicken McDo araw-araw. Ay, libre na yung pagkain ko, di ba? Anyways, ang dami kong sinabi. This is your SeaBank debit card. Yun muna tayo.